Hello guys, in this lecture I'm going to give you the overview about Photoshop interface. So without any wasting time, let's get started. So guys, this is a layout of Photoshop. This is how the Photoshop looks like. At the top you can see the different menus. File, edit, image, layer, type, select, filter, 3D, view, window, help. Under menu you can see different type of options. Here you can see different type of options. We will discuss the main option in our later on lectures. And then you can see the adjustment bar here. So this is adjustment bar. Adjustment bar showing different type of adjustments related to tool that you are selected. I will show you how it works in my later on lectures. So this lecture is all about overview. And on the left hand side you can see different type of tools. Here you can see there are different type of tools here. When you hover on tool, you can see the pop-up picture. So this picture shows how this tool works. When you click right button on the tool, you can see the more tools related to main tool. On the right hand side, you can see different type of panels like layers, colors, swatches, gradients, patterns, channels, paths. Each panel contains some sort of settings. We will discuss in our later on lectures how this panel works. So if you want to change the layout and change your workspace, click on window and go to workspace, and here you can see different type of layouts according to your work. If you click on motion, you can see the workspace has changed and you can see the layout has changed. Again click on window and go to workspace and click on photography. You can also do the same with this tool here. When you click on this tool, you can see different type of layouts. You can simply choose essentials and then you get back to your default layout. Click on window, go to workspace and choose your workspace here. And if you want to know which panels are currently open in here, simply go to window and here you can see different type of panels. You can see which panels are open by saying which ones have check marks next. We have a layer tick mark and properties, options and tools. And if you want to add colors, click on colors and then you can see the colors panel is open now. And this is how you can add or see your panels in here. And if you want to hide color panel, simply you can see this icon, click on it. When you click on color panel, then it will show. And if you want to expand color panel, you can see the icon here, expand panels. Click on it and now you can see the color panels has expanded. And here you can see other panels as well, like swatches, gradients and patterns. And again click on this icon to collapse this panel. And now you can see it only shows icons here, not panels. So next we have our canvas. So this is our canvas. This is our workspace. Here we can make our design. So guys, this is the area where we make our designs with the help of tools. So guys, that's it for this lecture. I will see you in my next lecture. We will cover each and every important thing in Photoshop and we will go deeper in our upcoming lectures. Thank you so much for watching this lecture.